Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve the code exhibition cannot proceed because MFPlat.DLL was not found error in your computer. Let's fix that issue guys. For that, go to search menu and type settings. Open it. On left side you need to select apps. On right side you need to select the optional features. Click on it. In here you just need to add an optional features. Click view features and you want to search here media feature, MEDIA you just want to search it. I already installed in my computer guys. You just want to install it. You just want to check mark work here. After that you just want to proceed to install it. After that, after finishing installing it, you close out of here and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After that your problem has been resolved guys. That's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial definitely helpful guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.